Hi, I'm Al with Summit Racing, and today we are going to talk about an aspect of the Krusty the Corvette rebuild that honestly wasn't top of mind for me as I started to get into the suspension project. And it's a very important topic. It's tires. So I got the suspension totally redone on Krusty, brakes are bled, I'm ready to put the car back down on the ground. I'm all excited, and I go to put the wheels and tires on the car. I mount them up, I let the car down, I start to inflate the tires. I don't even think about how old these tires are. The car's new to me, I have no idea. As I begin to inflate the tires, these big cracks start to emerge on the sidewall. And I thought, wow, I have no idea how old these tires are, where they were, when they were bought, any of that. If you look at it, when I first bought the car, there's a ton of tread left on these tires. I think these tires were installed almost 20 years ago as the car sat in the garage and never got driven. So, couple reasons I'm mentioning this. If you ever have a barn find, one of the first things you should do is take a look at the tires. Make sure you shouldn't have any cracks, anything in the sidewall of the tire. This is awful. Who knows how long this would have lasted before this tire began to separate and all the tread came off of it. This tire is a Coker tire. It's no fault of the tire itself. Like I said, these are probably about 20 years old. We carry tires from every great manufacturer. Falken, Coker, Goodyear, BF Goodrich, Kumho, name the tire brand, we probably carry it. Our website's got some great tools. One other thing the previous owner had on this car, this tire is a 225/75/15. On an early Corvette, the front tires were actually rubbing on the fenders. That sidewall is way too tall of an aspect ratio to have on the front of that car. So I outfitted it with a set of BF Goodrich radial TAs. I've run BF Goodrich tires for a while. They make a great product. Like I said, so do Goodyear, Falken, Coker, all these other brands that we carry, all excellent tires. But I put the proper size tire on it. It's super easy to do that. Go to the Summit website, put in your year, make, and model. We'll show you the factory size tire. We'll also show you some plus size tires. You want to make sure you get the correct tire size for your vehicle. The other things you have to decide as you're buying tires, what's your primary use of the vehicle going to be? If I was just going to autocross this car, I probably would have put like a 215, 50, 55, 15 on it, maybe a 225 if I could squeeze that in the wheel well. But I'm going to street drive this car more than anything, occasionally autocross it. Once I decide I'm going to autocross this car a lot, I'm going to do a lot more suspension modifications. I'll probably go up to a 17 or 18-inch diameter wheel, but I'm not ready to do that yet. So I just put a radial TA on. Great tire. It'll make the car super drivable, and it will all around be an awesome tire. So go to the Summit website, check the tire that you need to run, determine what you're primarily going to do with the vehicle, make sure you get the right load rating, speed rating, couple factors you're going to need to do, but rule number one, always make sure your tires do not have cracks, splits, anything like this in the sidewall. This is only a matter of time. It's a ticking time bomb, and you got to make sure your ride's got good tires on it. Thanks for watching.